In this video, I'm going to show you how to get dramatic light rays in DaVinci Resolve step by step so you can create a cinematic, atmospheric look for your footage in just a few minutes. This is a great effect if you want to add a bit more drama to a landscape, a sunset shot, or any scene where light is already naturally visible and you want to enhance it. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy DaVinci Resolve tips just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure your clip is already placed on the timeline. Then go over to the effects library and search for light rays. Once you find it, simply drag the light rays effect onto your clip. As soon as you apply it, you'll notice the effect appears on your footage and gives you a starting point to work from. Next, go to the timeline viewer and look for the on-screen crosshair. This is the control that lets you position where the rays should come from. Move that crosshair to a bright area in the frame, like the sun, a window, or any strong light source that fits your shot. The more naturally you place it, the more realistic the effect will look. After that, open the inspector and look for the ray direction setting. Change it to from a location. This is important because it tells DaVinci Resolve to generate the rays from the exact spot you chose with the crosshair instead of using a default direction. Once that's set, you can start fine-tuning the look. Adjust the length slider to control how far the rays stretch across the frame. If you want a more subtle effect, keep it lower. If you want those strong cinematic beams reaching through the scene, increase it more. Then use the softness slider to make the rays smoother and more atmospheric. A higher softness can help the effect blend naturally into the image and avoid harsh, artificial edges. Now comes one of the most important controls, brightness. Increase the brightness slider until the rays stand out clearly against the background. If your footage has a bright sky or a detailed landscape, you may need to push this a bit more so the beams remain visible without looking blown out. The key is to balance realism with impact, so keep adjusting until the effect feels natural but still dramatic. You can also scrub through the clip to make sure the rays stay in the right position as the shot plays back. If needed, you can always go back and move the crosshair or tweak the sliders until everything matches your scene perfectly. Once you're happy with the result, play it back full screen and see how much more depth and atmosphere your footage now has. That's really all it takes to create dramatic light rays in DaVinci Resolve. A few simple adjustments can completely change the mood of your video and make it look far more cinematic. If this tutorial helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.